customer avatar. Let me give you an example with Beast Gear. Again, it's the brand that I built, so I know it very well. Let's talk about Liam the lifter. He's 27, he's an IT technician, he's got a university degree. That kind of doesn't matter. Often when people are thinking about their customers, they immediately start thinking about demographics. It's important, but it's not the most important thing. The most important thing is actually their goals. What do they want? What does Liam want to do? Their values. What do they care about? Their challenges as it relates to, the topic or your brand. So Liam is challenged with, what are the pain points as it relates to that? And so we can go through these and begin to answer them in the voice of your brand, as it were. For example, Liam wants to deadlift his body weight, deadlift 2 times his body weight and squat about 1.5 times his body weight. He cares about equipment that doesn't fail. He cares about looking and feeling the part. And the main challenge is that he can't afford good kit, okay? And the pain point is that the poor service of the other brands isn't good enough, and the kit that he can afford keeps failing on him, all right? So when we understand that, we can think about, well, how do we appeal to this person and what can we provide for them? Okay, we now know our customers' goals, values, challenges, and pain points. How can we actually get noticed by them? How can they even know that we exist? Well, the answer to that is to get in front of them. So returning to Liam the lifter for a minute, ask ourselves, where does Liam spend time online and consume electronic information? He's on Facebook because he's in groups for strength training. He's on Instagram because, well, everybody's on Instagram, but he's following the top coaches, posting his gym progress, following his friends. He's on YouTube, watching information from training experts. He's listening to podcasts, listening to his favorite coaches, okay? And he's on blogs and websites consuming this information too from his favorite coaches and trainers. And he's on online magazines, okay? So we know that this is where he's hanging out. How do we get in front of him then, okay? Perhaps we can get in front of him in these places. We know where he hangs out, but it's not as simple as just posting in these places. We can't say, okay, he's on YouTube, let's make a bunch of YouTube videos. He's on Facebook, let's run a bunch of Facebook ads. We can't just post there and expect sales to come in. We still need to understand a bit more about our customer avatar, okay? So he's going to object to buying from us. Even once we've got in front of him, he's going to say, well, who are these guys? Why should I trust them? All right. Why might he not want to buy from us? Again, returning to the Beast Gear example, perhaps it's still too expensive. Perhaps we need to therefore justify the price. And we can do that in our copy, in the information on our listing, by creating, and in our images, by creating an offer which compels him to buy by demonstrating that our product is worth the money, right? Perhaps he doesn't know, like, and trust our brand yet. So we need social proof and we need to demonstrate competence. We need to demonstrate competence, and we can do that by creating helpful, compelling, useful information, which shows that we know what we're talking about. So YouTube videos of training tutorials, blog posts about nutrition for training, for example. And perhaps he just doesn't know if the equipment will help. So we need social proof. So that's posts on social of influencers and existing customers using the product. And also, in our images on Amazon listings as well, and on our website too.
Hey, it's Riya Mitul here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.